Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Amazon Prime Video account. Now to create the account, firstly you need to open any web browser on your PC and there search for primevideo.com. Now once you search for it, you will land it to its official homepage. Now from there tap on sign in button at the top right. Now if you have Amazon account, then you can just type in your email or mobile number that you have used to create your Amazon account and then password of your account. You don't need any separate account for Prime Video. Now if you don't have Amazon account yet, then you can tap on create your Amazon account, and once you tap on it, sign up page will appear on your screen. There you need to type in your first name and last name, and you need to type in your email address for Amazon account and then create a new password for your account. After you fill all the details for creating Amazon account, tap on create your Amazon account button. Tap on Solve Puzzle button to solve this puzzle. Once you solve that puzzle, you will be sent a one-time password to the email address that you have typed in. Now once you receive an email, you will receive a one-time password to your email address. Type in that one-time password. Once you entered your one-time password, tap on Verify button. And there you go, you have created your Amazon Prime Video account. Now to watch movies and TV shows on Prime Video, you need to buy a subscription for it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.